when they see me clocking in. Well, they'll all be here in 20 years, cussing about the same old things. They stay late like a slave